एग्जाम्स है, पिंपल होंगे. आर यू पीएमएसिंग, पिंपल होंगे. देयर इज अ बिग डे टुमारो, पिंपल होंगे. सांस ले रहे हो, पिंपल होंगे. आई नो वी हैव ऑल बीन देयर एंड इट्स लाइक एक्ने इज completely out of our control and it's scary, right? स्पेशली जब कोई इंपॉर्टेंट दिन आ रहा हो, कोई प्रेजेंटेशन, डेट, मीटिंग या फिर कोई बिग डे, and you are just waiting for your skin to betray you. But have you ever wondered why it happens only at certain times? Why only before something important? Why only when you are stressed? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Riva and here we explore science-backed wellness and lifestyle in a way that actually makes sense. आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ एक्नेज आर नॉट जस्ट स्किन प्रॉब्लम and how it starts in your brain. Then we will move to the hormones, the invisible puppeteers, and after that we will talk about the vicious cycle no one discusses and then how to break that vicious loop. And last but not the least, why it's okay to and last but embrace your skin with compassion. So first let's talk about your brain. एक्ने सिर्फ एक स्किन प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इट एक्चुअली स्टार्ट्स वे डीपर. जब आप स्ट्रेस्ड, एंग्शियस या ओवरवेल्म्ड होते हो, आपका ब्रेन एक हार्मोन रिलीज करता है विच इज कॉल्ड कॉर्टिसोल्स, जिसे हम स्ट्रेस हार्मोन भी बोलते हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, कॉर्टिसोल इज काइंड ऑफ पैनिकिंग मैनेजर. इट डज टू बिग थिंग्स टू योर स्किन. पहले it rushes to your oil gland and says work harder. More oil means more clogged pores and yes, more acne. दूसरा, it triggers inflammation, redness, swelling, painful cysts. So basically the moment your mental peace goes downhill, your skin becomes a battlefield. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस, आपका कॉर्टिसोल इज अ मैनेजर जो पूरे टाइम चिल्लाते हुए ऑर्डर दे रहा है, एंड जो ऑयल ग्लैंड्स हैं वो बिना सोचे समझे कॉर्टिसोल्स की बात मानकर ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करने लग जाते हैं, एंड सडनली पिंपल्स आर एवरीवेयर. But the thing is, cortisol is not working alone. There is another player silently pulling strings, and that is your hormones, the invisible puppeteers. Especially for women, hormones make everything well spicy. Just before your period, your androgen levels spike, जो कि again signals your oil gland to go a little wide. And that's why those PMS breakout shows up on your chin and jawline every single time. And there is more. Poor sleep also plays a role. अगर आप deep sleep नहीं ले रहे हो, your melatonin level will drop, and melatonin sleep hormones के साथ साथ ये आपका skin repair hormone भी है. Less repair means more blemishes and slower healing. So the takeaway, hormone needs balance. When life gets chaotic, your hormones get chaotic and your skin shows it first. And ये सब फिर भी ठीक है, पर फिर आता है वो vicious cycle which no one talks about. स्ट्रेस की वजह से एक्ने होते हैं और एक्ने की वजह से स्ट्रेस होता है, and suddenly you are stuck in a loop you did not even sign up for. You look in the mirror, feel low, your brain releases more cortisol, and guess what? The pimples get worse. Research shows acne can lower your self-esteem, trigger social anxiety, and even increase the chances of depression. Suddenly, a tiny breakout feels like a huge problem, not because of your skin, but because of how it affects how you feel. You're not just fighting pimples, you are fighting invisible internal triggers. But here is the good news, loops can be broken. So let's dive into it. First thing is, you don't need a 20-step skincare routine or super expensive treatments. What you need is balance in your brain and your hormones. And here are few science-backed habits that actually work. So the first is prioritize your sleep, not just any sleep, good quality sleep only. स्लीप आपके बॉडी का रीसेट बटन है. इट डिटॉक्सिफाइज, रिपेयर्स एंड हील्स. व्हेन यू फिक्स योर स्लीप, your skin barrier repair itself and inflammation goes down. Second is breathing exercises or meditation. Simple exercises or yoga like Anulom Vilom calm down your mind. Calm mind means lower cortisol. Lower cortisol means oil glands are at rest, which means fewer breakouts. Let's move to the third point, which is 20 minutes of movement. Walk, stretch, dance, anything. Movement boosts your blood flow and dopamine, which keeps your skin and mood happier. The fourth habit is choose the right skincare. Your product should support your skin barrier, not irritate it. अगर आप न्यू हो and you don't know which product suits you, then you need to experiment a little, find what suits you. A healthy skin barrier means faster healing and less redness and blemishes. Fifth habit is no picking or popping. Seriously, Touching pimples create scars and prolongs in inflammation. Just leave them alone. Sixth and the last habit is talk to a dermatologist for a persistent acne. Sometimes a professional solution is better than random recommendation. What works for your friend may not work for you. So go and see a doctor. Remember, your skin heals faster when your mind feels safe. इसलिए acne treat करेंगे but skin को judge बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So let's talk about embracing it. Acne is very normal. It's a sign that you are growing into this beautiful person that you are. It does not make you unattractive or make you less confident. It does not define you. Wear your acne with the same confidence you wear your smile. You can keep it clean. You can also use acne patches, which is very useful. Your skin is just trying to communicate what your brain is not allowed to scream. So next time a breakout comes, instead of panicking, ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me? Acne makes you human. It does not make you less perfect, and that's completely okay. Your scar, your blemishes, they are part of your story. Own them, embrace them, and keep moving forward. If this video helped you understand your skin better, tap like, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe so we can grow together inside and out. Comment below if you do notice more breakouts when you are stressed or anxious. Your story might just help someone else feel less alone. See you in the next video. Until then, be kind to yourself and your skin will thank you.